Hey everyone, this is me Ram. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all friends? I hope you are doing great. Today I am going to talk about tenses. If we are know very well about tenses, there are three tenses: present, past, future. Each tense convert into the four subtenses. Simple present tense, I speak English. Present continuous tense, I am speaking English. Present perfect tense, I have spoken English. Present perfect continuous tense, I have been speaking English. Simple past, I spoke English. Past continuous tense, I was speaking English. Past perfect tense, I had spoken English. Past perfect continuous tense, I had been speaking English. Simple future, I will speak English. Future continuous tense, I will be speaking English. Future perfect tense, I will have spoken English. Future perfect continuous tense, I will have been speaking English. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.